Adding players. Let's start with a team composite created in a previous tutorial. First, we'll remove the current players using the trash option. Now, add players by dragging them from Finder or Windows File Explorer into the design area. Ensure the Players panel is active on the right. This is probably the easiest method to add players, but there are other options available. You can also use the main menu by selecting Edit, Add Players. Or, use a CSV file generated by GotPhoto, or a similar CSV file. Select the CSV file and ensure the columns contain the required data for Team Photo Composite. The advantage of using this option is groups. You can easily import players in groups after reading the CSV file. Simply select the desired group. Note that in this tutorial we have only one group, but typically there would be many more. All players in the selected group will be imported into the composite. The same options apply to single-player composites, but the layout and design options will differ.